Ashley Cole to leave Birmingham City for full-time Football Association role, Paper Talk, plus, Spurs midfielder Rodrigo Bentancur may face up to 12 games on the sidelines after his FA charge. Chelsea midfielder Enzo Fernandez is not facing punishment from the FA for racist and homophobic chanting. Manuel Ugarte is set to make his debut for Man United at Southampton on Saturday. Are Arne Slot's Liverpool Premier League title contenders this season? Liverpool have won their first 3 Premier League games without conceding. Arne Slot's side sits second in the table behind champions Man City on goals scored. Next up for the Reds are Nottingham Forest at Anfield on Saturday afternoon. Essential Football Pod. Who will win the North London Derby? Depleted Arsenal or misfiring Spurs? Subscribe to the Essential Football Podcast for exclusive interviews, in-depth analysis, and build-up to the big matches. Live football today on Sky Sports, fixtures, kickoff times, TV channel and stream for matches this week and weekend. All the live football on Sky Sports and Sky Sports from the Premier League, EFL, WSL and Bundesliga.